Standards are an important aspect of computing, including as it relates to security. In this video, we'll talk about NIST. NIST stands for the National Institute of Standards and Technology, in which there is a division called the Computer Security Resource Center, or CSRC. This division deals with the protection of information systems in terms of tools that can be used and best practices to be followed. FIPS stands for Federal Information Processing Standard, and it's a guideline used by U.S. government agencies. FIPS 201-2 deals with personal identity verification of federal employees and contractors. Now, this can be done in a variety of ways by using smart card authentication, where the possession of the physical card is required in addition to knowledge of the PIN for the smart card. There are also specific card reader requirements that must be met for the use of smart cards. There are certain cryptographic algorithm requirements to be trusted that are part of FIPS 201-2, as well as the use of biometric authentication. Biometric authentication is based on some unique characteristic that someone possesses, such as their fingerprint or their retinal scan. FIPS 197 deals with the Advanced Encryption Standard as of 2001. It supersedes the 1970s derived DES or Digital Encryption Standard. AES uses the Rindell algorithm, and it's applied to both software and firmware. So it can be used in many different devices or many different operating systems and applications. AES is a symmetric block cipher that supports 128, 192, and 256 bits. FIPS 186-4 is the digital signature standard. It defines acceptable methods that can be used to create unique digital signatures. The purpose of a digital signature is to verify the authenticity of the originator, the sender of a message. For example, in the case of email, the sender generates a unique digital signature using their private key to which only they have access. Now, on the receiving end, we can detect whether tampering has taken place because we'll use a mathematically related public key to verify that the signature value is the same. If it's different, something has changed. The digital signature standard also deals with non-repudiation, where an originator cannot deny having sent the message because it was created with the private key to which only they have access. In this video, we discussed NIST.